Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga our funny from the 29th of September to the 3rd of October 2025 on Monday. Dula saves Thembi from a horrible event. Zandile accuses Ntombi of standing in the way of meeting someone important. Kaise is put in a difficult position by her father on Tuesday. Zandile's search for her father on the internet yields an undesirable outcome, and Gaise's heartache over losing her family is renewed on Wednesday. Thembi's moment of truth is threatened by a lawsuit. Kaise is taunted by the reality of her father's disowning her again. Zandile's ticking time bomb explodes on school premises on Thursday. As Thembi boldly declares war on Andile, not only shows Isiqalo records of how much of a queen she really is, and Zandile throws her toys out of the court, standing the entire family on Friday. Tension rise as Zandile's dream job turns into nightmare. Notoli's power comes at a price, and Thembi's big moment is overshadowed. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.